We like to prep as much as we can on the bench. A couple things, it's easier, and also your final product is much better because it's much easier to work standing and here than in the car like this. It's just very, very difficult. So no matter how good you are, it's very difficult to do a good job. So by doing it mostly on the bench, so he's basically gonna prep this entire thing, and then we will take this and transfer it and drop it right in. It mounts to 2 existing bolts, and then, well, 3. 1 here for the backrest and 2 on the bottom. And then that will mount this entire panel. Your connectors plug in here, and then his power wire and his power and ground will enter here. So this is your bass knob, all your speaker wires, crossovers, front crossovers, rear crossovers. I mean, just look at, it's amazing. So he's still got some work to do, but just wanted to show you the process and what goes into doing a car like this. So on this vehicle, we did a stage 1 on the outside. So the inside of the outer skin has been deadened. And then we also did the block off plates. So typically it's just a plastic membrane that just kind of flops around. So we added this ABS panel, which is deadened on the inside. So that deadens the panel, but also seals off the cavity because it acts as a gasket between the sheet metal and the ABS. And then also we always do around the speaker, and then we'll show you those adapters in a minute. So same thing on the rear, block off plate, adapter, ready to go. And this is the enclosure that's going in it. So we're going with 212 Audio Mobile GTSs. Now, the GTS is shallow, but it's still a fairly big sub. So we built this custom enclosure, and we built these in order for the magnets to clear. We had to clearance it so that the magnet would fit, and it would still fit under the seat without a seat lift. So we built these, this is steel, and then it's siliconed and bolted into place. And then we'll finish the whole enclosure, and it'll fit under the seat, but you'll still have a ton of bass. 212s under the bench without any seat lift. I'll show you the Focal KX3s are installed. And then we also have the 3-inch middler up there. And so this is the amp rack. And as you can see, it picks up a stock bolt there, a stock bolt here, and then another stock bolt over there. So this thing is, I mean, it is super secure. Everything is nice and mounted, and the seat will still latch into place.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.